Ready, set, go!
Hello, kids! Today in our class, we will discover 25 amazing birds. Let's start! Now this is Parrot. Parrots are green and colorful. They can mimic human voices. They love fruits and seeds. Now this is Peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. It has rainbow-colored feathers. It dances beautifully in rain. Now this is Penguin. Penguins cannot fly, but they can swim very fast. They live in very cold places like Antarctica. They walk in a funny waddle style. Now this is Eagle. Eagles are very strong birds of prey. They have sharp eyesight. They hunt fish and small animals. Now this is Owl. Owls are night birds. They can turn their heads almost fully. They see very well in the dark. Now this is Flamingo. Flamingos are tall pink birds. They can stand on one leg. They eat tiny fish and algae. Now this is Woodpecker. Woodpeckers peck trees with their beaks. They make holes in trees to find insects. They have very strong beaks. Now this is Kingfisher. Kingfisher is a small bird with blue and orange colors. It catches fish from rivers. It is very fast and sharp. Now this is Sparrow. Sparrows are small and friendly birds. They are often found near houses. They make sweet chirping sounds. Now, this is Pigeon. Pigeons are very common in cities. Long ago, they were used to carry messages. They love eating grains. Now this is Swan. Swans are big white birds. They swim gracefully in lakes. They are a symbol of beauty and love. Now this is Duck. Ducks have flat beaks and webbed feet. They can swim very well. They say quack quack. This is Hummingbird. Hummingbirds are the smallest birds. They can fly backward. They drink nectar from flowers. Now this is Crow. Crows are clever blackbirds. They can mimic sounds. They eat almost everything. Now this is Robin. Robins are small birds with red chests. They are often seen in gardens. They are a sign of spring. Now this is Canary. Canaries are bright yellow birds. They are famous for singing sweetly. People often keep them as pets. Now this is Seagull. Seagulls live near beaches. They eat fish and small crabs. They can fly long distances. Now this is Pelican. Pelicans have big beak pouches. They use it to catch fish. They are found near lakes and seas. Now this is Heron. Herons have long necks and legs. They stand quietly in water. They catch fish very quickly. Now this is Stork. Storks are large white birds. They fly long distances during migration. They often live near wetlands. Now this is Hornbill. Hornbills have very large curved beaks. They live in tropical forests. They are very colorful and unique. Now this is Toucan. Toucans have giant colorful beaks. They are found in South America. They eat fruits and insects. this is cockatoo. Cockatoos are white parrots with crests. They are very playful. They can dance and mimic sounds. Now this is emu. Emus are the second largest birds. They cannot fly but run very fast. They are native to Australia. Kids, today we learned about 25 amazing birds. Now you tell me in the comments, which bird is your favorite?